On number 11, which expression is equivalent to x squared minus 17x minus 60? You can see that all these terms are factored. All these answer choices are already factored. We need to figure out which one of these factored choices is equivalent to this. We can actually factor this by hand. We could use the polynomial tool, or in this case, I'm going to graph these. I think graphing is one of the simplest ways to solve this. When in doubt, graph it out. So I'm going to graph my first equation. So I'm going to choose Home, New Document. I'm not going to save. I'm going to choose a graph. And I'm going to type in f of x equals x squared minus 17x minus y. I'm going to make this a relation, as this would be y equals. So I'm going to choose a relation. So I'm going to press delete. And you can see I get a little drop down menu. I'm going to choose 6 for relation. And so now then it's going to be y equals, I'm going to type this in as I see it, x squared minus 17x minus 60. And I'm going to graph it. And you can see my graph is zoomed way in. So I'm going to zoom out so I can see it a little better. So I'm going to choose menu. I'm going to choose 4 for zoom. I'm going to choose 4 for zoom out. And I'm going to have to enter, I might have to enter it a few times to let it zoom out real well. You can see, there we go. Now you can see it. It's kind of skinny, but there you see it. And I'm going to press escape to get out of that. Now I want to see which one of these graph out exactly the same. So I need a graph that exactly matches this particular graph. So I'm going to choose tab, and my new relation is going to be in part A. It's going to be y equals, in this case it's going to be parenthesis x minus 20 close parenthesis times, don't forget adding the times, open parentheses, x plus 3 close parentheses, press enter. And the graph, is it the same or is it not? It's hard to tell. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Menu 4 5 zoom standard, and it looks pretty close. It looks pretty close.